Hi guys, welcome back to the Beauty Spot, Korean skincare secret. Today I will share a secret recipe which you all have been searching for. Koreans. What do they actually use to get that glass skin? Is that a makeup? Or that's their skincare routine? A lot of questions, and the answer is simple. Their skincare routine is just perfect. Korean girls will forget to eat, but they can't forget to moisturize their skin. Probably that's the reason they have the best skin. So I will share a recipe, in fact, a secret recipe, which my Korean friend told me. Her name is Iyun Ai. Thanks Iyun Ai for this amazing recipe. So let's start preparing the recipe. But before that, please like this video to support me and my friend. So take a clean bowl and add 2 capsules of vitamin E. And if vitamin E capsules are not available to you, you can use vitamin E oil. Next, add around a teaspoon of Vaseline Baby. Only Vaseline Baby is required. Others will not work properly. That's what my friend told me. Next, add 1 teaspoon of 100% pure aloe vera gel. 100% pure aloe vera is colorless and should not contain any color. Now mix it very well until you get a nice, smooth, thick, and creamy paste. Note, you can store this serum for about a month at room temperature in any airtight container. Now take a little amount of the prepared serum and start rubbing it all around your face. Massage the serum properly on your face with your fingertips, as you can see in the video. You can also massage this serum specifically to the areas where you have dark patches or dark spots, as it helps in healing. This serum makes your skin clear and spotless. It will add a natural glow to your face. And if you want glass skin, start using this serum today. When the serum is properly absorbed on your skin, then leave it overnight. Use this serum daily before going to bed, like any other night cream, and you will see the difference daily when you wake up in the morning. Your skin will become more glowing every day. This natural recipe is 100% effective if you want glass skin. This is an original Korean skincare secret to get glass skin naturally. If you like the video, share with your friends, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye!